The drawing and editing tools of the Map Suite Android edition allow users to draw a variety of new shapes on the map and to edit existing features. For example, a user may want to trace the outlines of buildings or other objects from aerial imagery to create and save new polygon features in vector format. Creating vector features from imagery converts them from colored pixels embedded in a grid to discrete individual features that can then be queried and analyzed with mapping software. At the bottom of the screen in the instructions panel, you'll see a set of tools. The hand tool is used to pan and zoom the map. The pencil opens the drawing tools menu. The box is the edit tool. And the trash can deletes all shapes on the screen. First, let's look at drawing tools. Tap the pencil icon to open the set of tools for drawing features. You can use these tools to draw points, lines, rectangles, polygons, or ellipses. To do this, simply click the tool for Android, then tap the location on the map where you'd like to begin drawing. For a point, simply tap on the map. In the case of the line and polygon tools, tap the location of the next vertex without dragging, and so on, then tap and hold the location of the last vertex. For a rectangle or ellipse, tap and drag on the map to create the shape. Tap the hand icon to return to the main instruction screen. Now let's look at the edit tool. Select the box icon, which is the edit tool. The features will have tiny white circles around their edges. This confirms that edit mode has been entered. The white circles are the vertices on which the shape is based. Move these vertices to adjust a feature's shape. On a line or polygon feature, it is also possible to tap on the line or border of the shape to add a new point. In the middle of each shape is a move icon that can be tapped and held to move the shape. To the bottom left of each shape is an icon that can be tapped and held to resize the image. And to the bottom right of each shape is an icon that can be tapped and held to rotate the shape. And finally, there's the delete tool. You can tap on the trash can tool to delete all shapes entirely. Now let's look at the code. Main activity is the main launcher, which will load when the application is opened. It contains onCreate, which sets up the map and the buttons, and calls initialize instruction to set up the toolbar. Track button click handles the drawing and editing of the shapes. It's this function here, and you can see there's a switch that handles the case for each button on the instruction menu that can be tapped. From the cursor to the clear, which is delete, and then points, lines, rectangles, here are the shapes, and then there's the edit button. And then here is initialize instruction, which sets up the instruction toolbar. Well, thank you for watching the Map Suite Android Drawing and Editing Learning Sample.